I am participant in 2025 SAP speech competition. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Aini. I am from Muhammadiyah Senior High School Bondowoso, and today I would like to talk about student in high school thinking. Honorable judges and audiences. Today, we address a crucial issue in education, highlighted by a collaborative study involving the University of South Australia, Flinders University, and the Melbourne Buddhist School of Education. This study that uncovered challenges this gap in learning quality affects student success. Less than a third of teachers engage students to complex learning opportunities for developing critical thinking and problem-solving skills. These abilities are essential for students to analyze, evaluate, and question information logically. The research indicates that around 70% of students thus focus on shallow learning. Activities like Q&A, note-taking, and passive learning dominate the classroom, while deeper, more critical thinking and activities are seldom used. Happy judges, my friends, ladies and gentlemen, when considering teaching methods, interactive engagement emerges as key to fostering critical thinking. Dr. Helen Stephenson from the University of South Australia emphasizes that deep learning requires organizing knowledge to improve conceptual structures, promoting retention, and improve supporting innovation. Unfortunately, around 70% of classroom content remain passive, hindering to kind of deep engagement. Recent data highlights the urgency of this issue. A 2024 HealthSpot survey revealed that 46% of teachers responded dislike in student engagement since 2019, with 83% of students feeling that schools do not offer enough opportunities to ignite their curiosity. A 2024 study published in Scientific Review explored how innovative teaching methods can significantly improve critical thinking and overall learning opportunities. To address this, we must support teachers through professional development programs that enable them to shift toward pro-interactive. Here are some learning practices that can help students build their essential skills. First, class discussions. Facilitating group discussions where the students express opinions with evidence and engage critically. Second, project-based assessment sources and draw conclusions. And the last one, case studies. Using real-world case studies allows students to analyze problems, evaluate solutions, and present recommendations based on informed judgment. Increasing student engagement through more interactive learning not only enhances academic outcomes but also nurtures a generation that is critical, innovative, and prepared to tackle future challenges. Transforming education is essential to shaping a bright future. Happy judges, my friends, ladies and gentlemen, together we can create a learning environment that encourages students to generate ideas and collaborate with their peers. In doing so, we will not improve learning outcomes but also shape a generation to comfort the challenges of tomorrow with critical thinking and innovation. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, that's all my speech. I hope we can have progressive future. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.